What's going on, guys? So today we are doing something different. We are not on Minecraft for once, wow. And we're back on Animal Jam. I've been into the game for like a bit, so yeah, I've been doing a whole lot of nothing. I've been sitting in this person's den. What I've been doing is I've just been going into people's dens and just sitting there. I know, I found very sad, don't I? I've been sitting here for around 30 minutes. Is this person even still on? No, they're offline. Okay, guys, so we're going to the next place. I will just find someone random who's just doing nothing. You. And now I just come here and I just sit. And that's literally it. I don't know if this is. Oh, and then I tell them, hello. I've decided to sit in your den for I don't know how long minutes. This is content, guys. Okay then. Have fun. What normally happens is I sit in here for around 10, 20, 30 minutes. I mean, I've only done it to 3 people so far, so I don't know. And then they sometimes come back and say, wow, you're still here. And I'm like, yes. Yes, I am. I don't know if this was the quarantine video you were looking for, but I mean, if we're trapped inside, I guess we're trapped doing nothing. I mean, I kind of really just do nothing. I would go to present den and then just sit there. MMK. Yeah. I mean, I don't need a pause. This is actually what I've been doing for I don't know how long. Should I stream this? Probably not. Seems pretty dumb, but I could. I could if I really wanted to. But I don't think anyone would want to watch this for hours and hours like I've been doing it, but yeah, I'll come back if anything entertaining happens. Okay, they're back. Yes. Yes, I am enjoying myself. This is content. That's nice. How have you been? I mean, it's been like a few seconds for you guys, but it's been actually not that long. It's been like 5 minutes. Maybe I am like very patient, persistent. Oh, thanks for sharing. Yeah, so I've done this 3 times already. Oh, I can't really read what they're saying. Pretty well, thank you. Welcome. I will be going to people's den for the last 2 hours. I'm just sitting. It sounds so sad. This is the new trend. I know this is different to most videos, but I'm bored. I'm I am very bored. Okay, I can't really read what he's saying. I'm what made you feel the origin? You were just flying there, and I decided to come. Yeah. Yeah, 3 other people than this guy. I don't know. I know we just leave after they've left, because then there's no point to stay in their den after they're gone. Because I don't get any reactions. I'm just staying in their den for their reasons. I think I left the first guy for no reason, but oh, and then the second guy wanted me out. The third guy went offline. Well, you saw that, and then this is the fourth. This is good. This is good content, guys. I've just been watching YouTube on my phone while I wait. Nice. It is. This is very interesting content. this this is the most fun I've had all day. Not counting the other No, I was gonna say not counting the other times I sat in dens, but yeah. So I used to play Animal Jam. You can see this is a different account, but it has member because of free member thing, which is this. If you write down the thing, get free membership. But yeah, so I've just been doing stuff on Animal Jam again. I've gotten into it again. I don't think I'll be able to get my old account back, which was on my computer that shut down. But this is my account for now until I do get it back. Oh, what's he saying? And then just saying yes. it is actually quite fun. You wouldn't understand. Okay, I'm gonna put all the tags in my description. Like, I probably should put the people who were in the video into the description. I don't think I need to. Yeah, you can see them on screen anyway. I don't need to show you. I can't even scroll up chat because I'm not using a mouse. Wonder how my friends are doing. Probably a lot better than I am. I think I've lost my mentality. What? English? But yeah, if you were expecting a Minecraft video, a building video, or anything, this is it. Me sitting in people's dens in a game I haven't played in literally years, months. No, maybe it was years. I mean, like, probably years. But I have gone on my old account before my computer broke down. I'm not gonna make anyone sit with me. I think at first I was kind of trying to get something out of it, but now I've just sat here for thank you. Now I have something to eat. Oh my god. While I wait. Random question, but how many times we locked out? Once. The other two I've been in so far didn't really care. Yeah, I only wait until people leave, but this is quite entertaining for content. I don't know. I mean, for me it is. I actually expected more. Me too, kind of. How long did you? Around 30 minutes each, I think. I normally stay until they go offline. it is really sad. Yeah, I have been at this for around 2 hours after my friend left. This is content, guys. Noise. Anyway, you can do what you were doing. Don't want to waste your time. I keep farting. I hope you guys don't hear that. Why did I say if I didn't want you guys to hear? I guess it'd be very awkward, but yeah. Content. I'm not making any more videos like this, by the way. Unless you guys, I'm gonna go get some cherry. Okay. What is? I don't understand. I used to play Animal Jam, but now I don't. Anyway, guys, yeah, back until he comes back, I guess. Or she, I'm not gonna assume. And he's back. It's been like a few seconds. Did he say anything? I'm gonna get some cherry. Okay. I said okay twice. I hope that don't come out as bad, but this has been very entertaining content. He's probably decorating now. Or she. I don't assume. Oh, it smells like in my room now. This is content. I haven't made a video in a while, so. I mean, when I say a while, I mean not as long as it's taken Alstia, Exotic Kid, to make a video. I keep saying Alstia, but that's not his name because Alstia would be. Anyway, so. Yeah, if you could go. I don't know if he has said his name in the video. If not, then Yeah, go subscribe to him. He probably makes more videos than I. Oh wait, no, more quality videos than I do. This is literally it. I don't know why you clicked on this video. I mean, you can see the title. This is gonna be the thumbnail, by the way. You probably would have seen it already, though. Content. If this gets it in there recommended, then I kinda am worried for humanity. I don't know. I don't think this will get very popular, but my first Animal Jam video has 900 views. But I definitely have way less than 100 subs, so yeah, if you are you watching this and you're not subscribed, please do. Well, I'm gonna keep doing stuff like this. I'm punishing myself for your entertainment. Except, I don't know what's entertaining about this. It's literally, I don't even know why I'm still recording this part. Okay, I'll cut until something interesting happens. The table, oh, wait, the expanded. Yes! This was the reveal you guys were waiting for. That's right, the table expanded. This is epic. I don't know what I'm watching anymore. I've kind of started watching random videos on my phone now, but the this is proof. I've been waiting in here. You get to watch 15 minutes while I've been in here for. Actually, it's been like 30 minutes since I've gone here. I think. Oh yeah, and all the cuts. It is probably being like 30 minutes, and before that. Wait, did I join this? Oh yeah, I did. So yeah, it's only been like 20 minutes. I haven't eaten any of the food, but I mean, what am I supposed to do? I've literally nothing. I don't know why I'm doing this. If you want a part 2, like and subscribe. Epic. He's not wrong though. I would think I would have been kicked out of more than. I mean, the one I got kicked out of was not really. I didn't really get kicked out of. He asked me to leave very politely, so I did. But yeah, now I'm sitting on donuts. I'm actually surprised no one's asked me to leave as soon as I joined. Then again, the den is open, so. Oh, now I have a sofa. and the chair has expanded. Thank you. Oh, yeah. This is amazing content. I think it has been. Welcome. Thank you. Why are they still here? I don't think most of the people I go into the dens, they don't really. Oh, what's he saying? Nope. Why is he still here? Everyone else, they go on their merry way, and then they do their spike trading, whatever people do in our gem these days. This guy's literally just been making a house for me. Well, not a house. This. That's the difference between people, you know. This guy is maybe luxury. The others just ignore me, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, whoops. I got out of my sitting position. There we go. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I hope you guys don't want any more of this. But if you do, leave a like, and if we hit 5 likes, because that's more likes than I've ever gotten before, then we'll make a part 2. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.